It's the fall season again, and the city is working to keep the community clean by sweeping up leaves and debris on a scheduled basis. Stacey Ellifrit has more on what residents should do when street sweepers are scheduled to be in their neighborhood.
Fall is leaf season, and if you get a card like this in the mail, it will show a specific date that street sweepers will be in your neighborhood.
We even have a crew on graveyard. We do 9 months systematically throughout the city and about 3 months during the leaf season, which is starting right now.
One important thing to remember is to never leave yard waste in the street. It can clog storm drains and cause urban flooding.
It just takes longer for us to finish our areas, and we might not be able to respond to other areas that may need sweeping. It could cause flooding if the leaves plug up the catch basins, especially this time of year.
Instead, rake up leaves and place them in your brown yard waste container, or compost and use as mulch in your garden. City residents can dispose of yard waste for no additional charge at the Tacoma Recovery and Transfer Center.
The most important element of the street sweeping program is it improves the quality of the stormwater. And of course, it beautifies the neighborhood, removes hazards from the road, and helps prevent some flooding in the leaf seasons.
Help city crews this leaf season. On your scheduled street sweeper day, remember to remove all cars and waste containers. And before crews arrive, prune branches 14 feet above the street surface. This will help the entire street get the best sweep it can. For Tacoma Report, I'm Stacey Ellifrit.
To view your neighborhood sweeping schedule or to find out more about the street sweeping program, visit the city's website.